The second most important question is what kind of support do I get? People ask a lot because I think it's coming from the point that they've been in other business model and then they sign up and then they get frustrated. So the first support you get is telephone support. So you have a business consultant that will uh, call, you can give a call. There's a support desk, and then there's a schedule you on your calendar. So you can go in, book a call with your consultant, and they will attend to you. You can put in a ticket, and your ticket will be resolved until you're satisfied. And then your also third point support is the community. The community of those that have actually done the business and get results. So you have opportunity to liaise and contact any of them, and you get the support. There's live events which is done regularly, and there's also live webinars that is done on a weekly basis. In some weeks, you can have as many as 5 webinars, and there are recorded webinars in the archive that you can go through. And there are also private member club that you can sign up to, like a Facebook group, or within the mentor platform you can sign up. So all those different types of support, and you have people you can connect with and to solve your problem, based on the certain result that they have achieved, which is publicly available on the platform. So you can relate with those people and seek them to support you on to get your own result. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next question, the next frequently asked questions.